What's going on, guys? It's Bria Nicole here, and today I will be showing you all how to DIY your own hand sanitizer. With this coronavirus going on, the stores have completely sold out. Yes, they're going to restock, but this is actually an efficient way to make your own hand sanitizer. I have 99% alcohol. I suggest that your alcohol should be over 90%. They do have hand sanitizers that only have about 60%, but I just wanted to be safe. I also have my aloe gel that I got from my local Dollar Tree. I got my alcohol from the hair store. I got my essential oil, and I also have an empty squeeze bottle here. Okay, so I already have my aloe in this cup, and I have my alcohol inside of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by pouring the aloe in there. Okay, and I'm going to mix in my rubbing alcohol. And as you can see, I have too much rubbing alcohol in there. I didn't really measure it or like that just because I just wanted to just make a quick video. Okay, you guys, so what we're going to do here is just pretty much mix it all up, mix it all together. And the consistency really depends on you. Like, I feel like I need a little more aloe in mine. So here I'm taking my essential oil and I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix that together. And now it's turning into what I want it to turn into. I want this video to just be straight to the point. No need to, you know, waste time. Okay, now that you have it mixed together, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick DIY. Here's my hand sanitizer. I'm going to go ahead and go out and get some easier squeeze bottles because that one was not as easy as I thought to put the sanitizer in. But there you have it, your own hand sanitizer. The consistency that I was going for was kind of like gelatin, a little bit like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour it inside of my squeeze bottle.